Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix GPEDIT msc not opening in Windows 11. To start, open the command prompt console as administrator. Click Yes to access. Now run the command that you see on the screen and that you find in the video description. Press Enter and wait for this command to be executed. In some cases, it takes time to be completed. After this, run the command that you will find in the video description. Press Enter and again wait for this command to be executed. It may take some time. Finally, to complete the process, restart the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you access the system, open GPEDIT msc to see that it works without error. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.